If you can't watch a full podcast, watch a clip instead. You'll be as entertained and as informed. That's my guarantee. That's why you gotta subscribe to those cast clips.
India's independence hasn't come only with the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi and Congress. The biggest contribution in that has been by all other people. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was the one who said, we don't want dominion status. Congress and Gandhiji wanted dominion status up to that time. It is Bhagat Singh, and then in Lahore, 30th December 1930, just before he was hanged, when the Congress meeting was taking place in Lahore, Panditji, when he raised the flag of Congress, he said, our aim now is complete independence. But it was Bhagat Singh who forced this decision. So there are the scores of them who were hanged, who were sacrificed, who were you see, आज़ादी के बाद जिस किसी ने हमारी लिखी है about independence, we have forgotten them. It's not done. So that's why journalism at the moment I'm trying to research and find out as many as I can and bring them out in that book. What all they contributed, how they managed, what they did. Look at this Indian National Army. They had women brigade. Women fought for Indian independence. You know, Attlee was asked this after India's independence. He was staying in Calcutta at the governor's house.
Who? Attlee?
Attlee.
Attlee?
The Prime Minister, last Prime Minister of England,
Okay.
who had given independence to India.
Okay.
And so he was asked whether he couldn't handle Gandhi and Congress. Why did he have to surrender India? He said Gandhi and Congress were minimal. It was not because of them that he gave them. He said Congress had nothing planned in terms of agitation at that time. You see, last agitation of the Congress and Gandhiji was in 1942, when they gave a call for quit India.
After that, they were just bureaucrats themselves.
उसके बाद तो जेल में चले गए. जेल से बाहर आए, अंग्रेज़ों ने इनको देने शुरू कर दिए चेक में. अब how to, because then they wanted to create Pakistan. It's a different story. वो तो that's a different story altogether.
Of course.
So, and he said that the reason we had to concede is that Indian army was a very efficient army. And the whole of India was singing and praising Indian National Army.
It's very surprising because हम इस इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी की कदर भी नहीं करते हैं जब हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंस की बात करते हैं. We often only attribute it to Gandhi.
मैंने आपसे अर्ज की ना जो हमने, तो Attlee said कि look, we made a mistake by putting those 3 INA officers on trial in Red Fort. And that got a huge publicity all over India, which had its impact on the officers of Indian Army. That here is Indian Army, which had turned the tide of war in Europe against Rommel, against Germans, and that army was not being respected in its own home for its achievements. Whereas these guys who had gone betrayed, they were being, and the net result was that they had to release those 3 officers.
Right.
And he said then thereafter, the mutiny happened in Navy in Bombay. So these are the things which led to, for the British to decide He said, we had only 40,000 British troops in India at that time. And if anything had happened, any uprising had taken place, we wouldn't have been able to crush it. And we decided that we'll leave it at a time at proper that we can continue to protect our interests, which they did by creating Pakistan and by continuing to sell weapons to us. ये तो अब हमने ज़्यादा वेपन्स लाने शुरू किए हैं, पैसा तो वो बनाते रहे, उसी लिए आए थे वो, उसलिए करते रहे.